So we'll start with a movement skills activity that's going to warm us up for jumping and introduce hopping and stepping and the idea of jump sequences. So what I've done is I've set up a series of markers on the ground, and each series of 3 markers has a different color combination. And our students are going to touch each color with a different leg, and that's going to force them into hopping and jumping and creating different sequences of these skills. So we'll start at the beginning by learning the hop, and a hop is going to be a one-leg takeoff to the same leg landing. Now what we're looking to do is to learn how to create stability in this position, and we do that by learning how to lift the foot and actively put it back on the ground. So we're going to use these small cones where we're going to have to step over the cone, and then we're going to land and try and create stability by keeping our ears over our feet. Now, of course, the second phase of the triple jump is the step phase, and that's going to be taking off from one leg and landing on the other leg. So we're going to practice the same skills we practiced in our hop, but now learning to move from one leg to the other. So now that we have our hopping and stepping skills, we can start to combine these into our hop-step sequence. So that means we're going to start on one leg. We're going to perform a hop, which will be to the same leg, a step to the other leg, a hop to the same leg, and a step to the other leg. So the final phase of our triple jump is the jump phase. And this is where we take off on one leg and we land on 2 legs. So we're going to practice this using hopscotch exercise over our cones, where we're going to keep our nice tall posture, but we're going to practice moving from one leg to 2 legs. So we should now have all of the skills we need to perform our triple jump technique. We have our hop with a nice balance control to the same leg, a step where we land on the other leg, and then a jump where we're going to land 2 feet together. So we can start by using the cones to learn this sequence, and then we can remove all constraints and do our standing triple jump for distance and have some fun in some competition.